So good day, sir, and good day, classmate. And now I'm gonna discuss the procedure of the standard penetration test. So the first procedure is identify the location of the testing in the field. Erect the tripod such that the top of the tripod head is centrally located over the testing spot. This can be reasonably ensured by passing a rope over the pulley connected to the tripod head and making the free end of the rope to come down and adjusting the tripod legs such that the rope ends is at the testing spot. While erecting and adjusting the tripod legs, care should be taken to see that the load is uniformly distributed over the three legs. This can be achieved by ensuring the lines joining the tips of the tripod legs on the ground from an equilateral triangle. Further, it should be ensured that the three legs of the tripod are firmly supported on the triangle, or the soil below the legs should not be loose and they should not be supported on the sloping rock surface or on a small boulder which may tilt during testing. Advance the borehole at the test location using the auger. To start with, advance the borehole for a depth of 0.5 meters and clear the loose soil from the borehole. Clean the split spoon sampler and apply a thin film of oil to the inside face of the sampler. Connect an A-drill extension rod to the split spoon sampler. Slip the 63.6 kilogram weight on the guide pipe assembly and connect the guide pipe's assembly to the other of the A-drill rod. The chain connected to the driving weight is tied to the rope passing over the pulley at the tripod head. The other end of the rope is pulled down manually or with help of mechanical winch by pulling the rope down. The drive weight guide pipe assemble, a drill rod, and the split spoon sampler will get vertically erected. A person should hold the guide pipe assembly split spoon sampler to the vertical with the falling weight lowered to the bottom of the guide's assembly. Now, place a straight edge across the bore touching the A-drill rod. Mark the straight edge level all around the A-drill rod with the help of the chalk or any other marker. From this mark, measure up along A-drill and mark 15 cm, 30 cm, and 45 cm above the straight edge level. Lift the driving weight to reach the top of the guide pipe's assembly travel and allow it to fall freely. The fall of the driving weight will transfer an impact load to the split spoon sampler, which drive the split spoon sampler into the ground. Again, lift the drive weight to the top of the travel and allow it to fall freely under its own weight from a height of 75 cm. As the number of blows are applied, the split spoon sampler will penetrate into the ground, and the first mark is 15 cm mark, for example, on the drill rod approaches the straight edge. Count the number of blows required for the 15 centimeter, second 15 centimeter, and the third 15 centimeter mark to cross down the straight edge. The penetration of the first 15 centimeter is considered as the setting drive, and the number of blows required for this penetration is noted but not accounted in computing penetration resistance value. The total numbers of blows required for the penetration of the split spoon sampler by second and third 15 centimeter is recorded as the penetration resistance or N value. After the completion of the split spoon sampler by 45 cm, pull out the whole assembly, detach the split sampler from a drill rod and open it out. Collect the soil sampler from the split spoon sampler into the sampling bag. Store the sampling bag safely with the identification tag for laboratory investigation. Advance the borehole by another 1 meter till a change of soil strata whichever is early. The task is repeated with advancement of borehole till the required depth of exploration is reached or till the refusal condition is encountered. Refusal condition is said to exist if the numbers of blows required for the last 30 cm of penetration is more than 100. The test will be repeated in the number of boreholes covered the site depending on the building area, importance of the structure, and the vibration of the soil properties across the site. The standard penetration test value are presented either in the form of table or in the form of bore log data.